Hello everyone and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva and I'm very thankful that you have decided to stop by. Well, today's video is a short one because you're going to be seeing the second half of the harvest of the sweet potatoes. So that's what I'll be doing today. So if you don't mind, will you watch the video to the very end? Thank you so much. So come with me, let's go finish up that harvest. So this is part two of the harvesting of the Jamaican sweet potatoes. You can see we have kitchen scraps in here too. Here's one. I think there's another one under here. Oh, I think I see one here too. It's a small one. Check this. Look how rich the soil is. Check those out. It's a big one. Another one. Wow. Looks like the big ones are down this end. See one right here. There's one right here. Little ones. Oh, hold on. Here's one right here. Can I get that? Get them. Well, folks, looks like we've gotten to the end of this harvesting. And look, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Let me wash them and show you the beautiful red skin. Do you like potatoes? How do you enjoy them? Before we end, check out this lovely guava tree. It is the season, it's fruiting very well, and very soon there will be lots of guavas on this tree. And this bunch of plantains will be harvested very soon. Thank you for watching the video to the very end. Please do come back again and let's see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden.